Alright, so what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are further improving the Miata. We have a full upgraded shifter rebuild kit from Moss Miata, as well as some new manual transmission fluid, which we will use to refill the turret and swap out probably whatever gross fluid is in there. I know for a fact this big boot has a giant tear in it. This bushing's definitely worn out. There's a lot of play. And then we have all of our replacement clips. And then just this little protective shield that just goes in your trunk. I just thought it'd be kind of cool to have. It'll help clean it up a lot once I redo the trunk. But let's hop into getting the interior torn apart. And let's get this installed and go for a test drive. Alright guys, so just real quick, so far all I've done is complete disassembly, and the complete disassembly, all you do is you take your shifter off, you take the center console out, and you'll get to the exposed rubber. You take those 4 bolts out, and after you remove those 4 bolts, you can now see the lower insulator, so you'll be able to remove 1, 2, 3 other bolts. Now note, once that top rubber off, this is the underside of the vehicle. This is the transmission tunnel and the drive shaft right there, everything. So be very careful not to drop those because you might lose them. Best case scenario, they fall to the floor like the first one I removed did. Now I am removing all of this old fluid, and it is not supposed to be that dark. If I can get it in the sunlight a little bit for you guys. It's very mucky, it's very brown, just not good all around. Also, I haven't done anything except completely disassemble the shifter, which I just cut everything off because I will have all new everything, and then installed this new channel raceway or whatever it's, I don't know what the actual name of it is, but installed the new one of that, and got the old plastic socket ball. I'd have to look at what it's called again. Brass bushing. I got the old plastic bushing off, and then we have the new brass one right here, which is supposed to make a huge difference. This is the new lower insulator. But basically, we're just gonna finish getting this fluid drained out, add new one, reassemble that, put it back, and then we'll test drive.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back up. Girl, I miss you. woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. And I end up alone, I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. How'd I end up alone? I'm not certain.
Alright guys, so got the interior back together and everything. We are about to take the car for a quick drive and see how this new shifter feels. Also, I'll make sure to discuss this in just a second, but that is actually no longer the original door. But let's do this first. I can tell you guys right now, the shifter feels way better than it did. It feels so much tighter than it used to. The gears felt so much sloppier. Alright guys, so apparently my camera cut off on me on the drive home, but we did get the shifter rebuilt, and as you heard in the video, it turned out amazing. For any of you Miata owners out there, especially if you're a new one, I highly recommend doing the upgraded rebuild kit from Moss Miata. It made a huge difference in shifting. I think it was the combination of just, replacing all the worn parts as well as the new fluid that makes it feel as good as it does now. I will be going to a shorter shift knob because, as you can see, my throws are pretty long right now. And the shift knob I put on there is much taller, and I think that's adding to that. And then eventually I do want to go to the Cobalt short shifter. But if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to drop a like. If you have any questions, drop them in a comment below. Subscribe if you like content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.